Go for it. Good luck.
Working hard and wondering why the big man puts me down, breaks my bones and shakes my ground. Yeah. Got the fire, got the flame, gonna melt all my chains. My time will come for breaking free. All I know is I'll be ready. Yeah, I'll be ready. Came here to sweat it, came here to sweat it out. Came here to sweat it. Came here to sweat it. Came here to sweat it out. Came here to sweat it out.
I can't see the flag.
Came here to sweat it.
Because we're looking around. Okay.
Came here to sweat it. Came here to sweat it out.
Yeah, not a bad launch, but still behind old boy in a Triumph again. Doggone it, let's go. This is my track. Except for the 5 other people in front of me. What's the line? Wow, that was close. Oh, here comes Devin. Oh, no, you're not getting by me. Oh, too late. Oh, frick. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we're going off. Whoa! Dude! Whoa, okay. That was a little bit close. Oh, the pucker factor. You understand, like, because you're on grass and you can't steer. If you steer, you're on your face. If you touch the brakes, you're on your face. So I was just sitting there going, oh please, don't bounce into me. And now I'm riding around going, the tires just got incredibly cold and wet off the grass. It had rained that night, or the previous night. So it's like, all right, I don't know what the tires are gonna do. Let me just chill for like half a lap. Let me get do they feel like they're sticking? Yeah, kinda. We'll take it easy. I'm already like miles behind everybody anyway. Who knows, I'm gonna even be able to catch up to anybody. I have no idea. This the rear tire had like 2 races on it at this point. An SC1, Pirelli SC1. And the front wasn't too bad. Front I can get away with an older front, but the rear's, nah. All right, so yellow flag, cool. All right, get back into it. Let's just put in some laps, like it's just me and the track now. Screw it, no one's in front of me. Let's just try to ride as absolutely perfectly as possible. Here we go, a little butt shift before the old turn. Okay, Devin's still in the grass. I can't see him. All right, cool, whatever. Let's get on through here. All right, put your head down. Screwed that up. You know what? It's fine. Again, we're just us and the track, nobody else. All right, come on. There we go. Clean up the right-hand side. All right, cool. Now this tire has seen every side of both sides. Now we can push. Here we go. Carousel on that tally is a little bit weird because it's like on camber for the inside and then goes off camber to the outside. So you don't really want to go over that transition while fully leaned over and pinned on the gas. But you can do it. You just have to kind of go over it a little bit more straight up and down than normal. All right, last corner. Here we go. Now we're going to put in a flying lap. Let's do this. Don't care about the tar snakes. Just going to create a little wiggle on the tire. It's not going to do any kind of like crazy grip things. We're good. Turn 1, looking pretty clean. We're on the apex. There we go. Yep. Full stick. Don't run in the grass this time. Yeah. Here we go. Good butt shift early before the brake markers. Oh, look, a couple dudes we can catch up to. Hey, let's try to catch up to them. All right, here we go. Here we go. Get the bit. All right, that's a little bit wide there, but you know what? Full stick. Let it run all the way out. On the rev limiter. A little bit wide. We're going to just bend it in. Slow down. Respect the slowest part of the corner. All right, hit the apex. Not bad. I'll take it. There we go. Ooh, chunk of tire coming off. Ugh. I want these guys now. I am not going to be last across the line. Let's go. Whoa. Okay, tires giving it up. Yeah, either I grab too much or it doesn't have enough. But either way, I got to watch the rear now. So I am definitely not setting a PB, but we're going to catch these guys because I think I can get them. If I'm closing in on them like this, then I'm definitely running faster than they are. So let's just see what's up. All right, yeah, wow, even with the tire spin, I still was putting in a 104.9. It's not fast, but, you know, it's not bad. Not bad for a worn tire, I'll say. Here we go. Come on. We can still get these guys just watching on the right-hand corners when you get on the gas. That's it. Yeah, we're catching them good. Okay. All right, let's see. It looks like Tommy and somebody with a shirt. So this guy's a provisional novice. Means that this is like his first race weekend, maybe second race weekend, like something like that. All right. Catch him in the right-hander. I'm pretty good to the right-hander, I think, compared to most people. Definitely caught him in here. Okay, let's see if we can sneak around him on the outside. Maybe? No, we're too much on the inside. I don't want to shove the door on this guy too hard. All right, we'll get him on the exit. We'll get him down in the braking zone for the second last corner. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. No, they got off that exit pretty well. I'm going to get next to him. Still, again, I don't want to... I'm not good at passing people, much less provisional novices. I'm not going to just shove it in their face because... I don't know, I just feel like that would be weird and they do something crazy and I don't want to be a part of that. So after watching this wreck that just happened, I was like, nah, we're good. I'll just hang tight. It's fine. Yeah, see, I'm losing almost 2 seconds a lap here behind these guys. They're running 106 mids at best, 106 highs. Okay, come on, let's get in there. The right-hander. The right-hander. I can catch him in the right-hander, so let's just get out of here. Get out of turn 2, 3, or whatever it is the bowl, basically. Let's get out of here really well and just sneak up the inside of Tommy. Come on. All right, he's going on the inside. Cool, I'll go around the outside. No worries. Here I am. Da-da-da, whoa, whoa, whoa. Rumbles. Okay. Okay, we've had 3 moments this race. I just need to get by these guys. I need to get by them now. And let's get on with the race because I am not interested in something. Whatever it is that they're doing, I don't want to be a part of it. So... looks like this dude's gapping Tommy a little bit. I'm just gonna slide up here on the inside. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, she's not stopping. Not stopping. Not stopping. Okay, we're running off. Run off. Okay. Okay, you know what? We're done. Yeah, we're done. We ain't doing this. They're gone. There ain't nobody else. I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna turn it in. Doggone it, man. You know what? I haven't had a race like this all year. This is 2021 all year, by the way. We'll just take it and leave it like that. That's a my bad. Sorry, Tommy, I was a little close and all that good stuff. So we're just gonna call it. We're gonna call it good. Okay, guys. Well, check out for this post-race interview where I talk about all the things that just happened. What's up, peoples? Man, I didn't pick up the camera all weekend. Literally forgot to put cameras on the bike and everything. See that guy? He's living the dream, man. He's a little bit older, doing senior superbike. I think we're all just big kids anyway, so it's great to see guys like him out here doing that. Hadn't turned on the camera all weekend. Forgot to put the cameras on the bike for one of the races, and got a podium that race. First podium, first legit podium. Finally got that thing to actually feel like, you know, it's how I like to feel on the bike. Not broke my PB here yet. It's a little bit hot, so I don't quite understand the traction levels, is what it is. Got another podium today. Hang on, wait for it. See these guys in the background maybe. Let's do them. I think that's B super stock. But anyway, yeah, hadn't really felt good on this bike until today. Yesterday, almost yesterday, but today really made a few clicker changes and, you know, started using good tires. And yeah, this bike feels amazing. You know, stop changing stuff. That's been my lesson here. Like, I stopped changing things on the bike. Had a gnarly crash and put me out of the C Superbike race. It didn't put me out, I ran off and Devin Smith wrecked right next to me. The bike was end over end within feet of me and I couldn't do anything. I couldn't steer because you're on grass, you steer and you're on your face. So I was just like, please don't take a weird bounce into me, you know, Lord God. But you know, he was definitely looking out for me on that one because that thing was tumbling and cartwheeling. But anyway, yeah, there's some good footage, I think. I got a couple new camera mounts, a couple new positions. Didn't do a whole lot of talking head stuff this time. I'll do something back at the office, you know. Got some good races in there. Anthony Rio, oh my gosh, dude. Fast kid. Jumps on a 2021 GX6, like immediately running 2s around Tally on it. I mean, he was already quick on his Gixxer, but he really stepped his game up. Huge freaking mad respect to him. I finished third behind him in both the super stock races. And I know, had there been a couple more guys in our races, probably wouldn't have gotten a podium, so I'm realistic about that. But you know, my pace is a lot better than it was last time. Last time I was running, 104.7 was my fastest last time, and I beat that by almost a second and a half this time. So didn't change anything on the bike, you know, other than the tires and maybe gearing if you want to count that. But yeah, man, just really good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and, if I don't race, I lose out on $75 race, but I don't burn my tire off, because now I'm at the point where I'll take a Pirelli SC1 and I'll roast that sucker in 2 races with a flip. I got Road Atlanta coming up. I want to practice for that, so I really don't want to spend more money on tires. I'm going to choose the lesser of 2 evils and go to Road Atlanta. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, share it on Facebook, smoke signals, all that good stuff. Later.